Hi everybody! TNG MasterCard is finally here. There are different ways to use MasterCard for payment. Let me show you how easy it is to use. Whenever you pay at any store, first check if they accept MasterCard. Nowadays, contactless payments are everywhere. Just tap your card to pay. You will see your transaction record instantly on your phone. If you have a phone that supports NFC, you can do the same by tapping the phone to the terminal using Google Pay. Did you know you can earn free remittance fee when using MasterCard? For every dollar you spend, you get 2% rebate TNG points. Each TNG point can be spent as a remittance fee. How to earn a lot of TNG points? Easy. Whenever you're buying household products for your employer, use your TNG MasterCard to pay and earn yourself a free remittance fee. You earn $2 for every $100 you pay.